Hello everyone, welcome to this course VBA Programming by Excel Yoga. Here in this course, I'll explain each and everything about Excel, basic Excel and VBA programming. So this course is specifically for those who are new to programming. Suppose somebody has zero knowledge about programming and he wants to start his programming career. So I would suggest you that VBA is the best programming language to start off your career. Here, everything is so easy that you can learn this language in a single month. So, guys, let me tell you more about this Excel Yoga by VBA Programming. So, we will go here. So, let me introduce myself. I am Krishna Pradhan. I have around 7 years of experience into data analysis, and most of my years are involved in programming through Excel. So as you know, if you go in the market and look for programming languages, you'll find lot of programming languages like Python, PHP, Ruby, and all. But VBA programming is something that is very easy, human readable. And why I'm saying human readable, because here most of the things are English words, so it will be very easy for you to learn. So first of all, we should know what is VBA. So VBA, we can say it is an object-oriented programming language or event-driven programming language for Excel and all other Office applications. So when I'm saying all other Office applications, it includes Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, and all. So object oriented, why it is object oriented? Because if you know, like more in our current world, everything is now object based. Suppose we can relate things that is going on around us. Suppose we are saying like a bird is flying, so if you'll consider that a bird as an object, so flying will be its event because it is flying. And the properties of a bird, we can say the color, the class, everything about it. So that is how we can relate it to our normal world and write the codes. Here in VBA we have Excel. So if you have a basic knowledge about Excel, so you must know, like in Excel we have workbook, worksheet, and lot of things. So you can say that workbook is an object, worksheet is an object, and it has the different properties, like workbook has name, workbook has a open method, and all. So this is an object oriented programming language. VBA, why we are always saying like if this is a VBA programming language. So what is VBA? The VBA stands for Basic for Applications. It is also known as Human Readable Programming Code. As I said, when I'm saying human readable programming language, so most of it words, or you can say you know the keyword in VBA which are used are in normal English words. Like you can see here, message box. So when I'm saying message box, it will appear a message box to the user, end user. Input, it will ask some input. Open, it will open some workbook or something. Close, it will close the Excel. Hide, unhide, these are all related words. We have heard of this many times. Almost all corporate employees use Excel and VBA as an extension of it. So if you see, when I'm saying like all corporate employees or those who are in finance, they use Excel. So if they want to learn the more application of Excel, they can go for VBA. So we can say that VBA is almost like an extension of Excel. So as we know that we have now learned what is VBA, so we must know the uses of VBA. How can we use it? Where we can use it? So uses of VBA can reduce time consumption. So if you want to reduce your working time, suppose a task is taking 3 or 4 hours, and you are doing it repeatedly, you want to reduce your time. You don't want to spend 3 hours of your valuable time. So you can do what you can do. You can prepare a macro or automation, an automation in Excel, that is a VBA programming. So that job will be done in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, or maybe less, maybe a fraction of seconds, depending on the job we are doing. Perform repetitive tasks in a short span of time, that is what I said now. Helps to create user defined functions. So in Excel we have this VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, length function, and all. You want to prepare your own functions. You want to create your own functions. So you can use this VBA programming to create some user defined functions. It provides user friendly interactive visualizations. So in VBA we have this user form concept where we can prepare a form and give it to the user, like a data entry form for an example. So that will be very user friendly, and VBA provides that. Almost all corporate employees use VBA. So that is true because most of the companies are now automating their tasks. So VBA is a must thing. If someone wants to start programming career, then VBA is the stepping stone of that person. So when I'm saying this, somebody has no programming knowledge or zero programming knowledge, then I think VBA is the best thing that can happen to that guy. Requirements. So what should be your requirement? So VBA, you don't like Python and all other things. You don't have to download other softwares and for that to write code. VBA is an inbuilt thing that is coming with Excel. I'll tell you how to get that coding window, or you can say code window in Visual Basic Editor and all. You must have Excel or Microsoft Office installed in your system. So this is the software that, I mean, if you are using Excel, then Excel is the software that is already in your system, so you don't have to download anything else. It doesn't support Mac. Windows operating system is preferred. So Mac OS, it doesn't support that. You have to use it on Windows only. Basic knowledge of Excel will be an addition. As I said, like what we are doing in Excel, normal Excel, the function, the dashboard, little repetitive task, what we are doing, recurring task. So if you have basic knowledge of Excel, so that will help here, because that is what we are going to automate in VBA. So thank you guys for your time. So in coming videos, you're going to learn a lot about VBA programming. So once again, thank you for choosing this course. I hope you have a great learning here. Thank you so much.